Hey Russell fam, in today's video I am going to show you what curriculums I use for first grade. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to Russell's Loving Life. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I talk about homeschooling tips and tricks and things I have learned over my years as a homeschooling mom. So make sure to join our email list, and that way you get a free homeschool supply list, and you also get codes and discounts for some of my affiliates, and I will send you one email a week. I promise I will not bombard you with emails. I know picking a homeschool curriculum can be hard, it can be difficult, it can be overwhelming, and not all curriculums work well for every single child. But in today's video, I am going to show you the curriculums that have worked well for my children. I used the My Father's World curriculum with Bailey when he was in first grade. I did not start using Saxon until he was in second. And I did not start using Growing with Grammar until he was in third. But I used them with him and I loved them, so that is why I'm using them with Becca in first grade. So let's get to those curriculums. This year for Becca's first grade, these are the curriculums I will be using. I will be using Saxon Math, Level 1. And all of these I've already done a flip through, so I will leave those up in the iCards if you're interested to see more about it. But here is Math for first grade. It comes with a meeting book, and it comes with oral tests, and it comes with tests and worksheets and everything. It already comes with 3 hole punches in here. All I have to do is it's perforated here, so I just took it out of that and put it in here to help me keep it all together. So that is what we're using for math. For spelling, we use a free curriculum, Spelling First Grade. It is called K-12 Reader, and I used this with Bailey for years for spelling, and this is what we're using for Becca. For some reason, week 1 and 2 didn't print, so I'm just going to start with week 3. This is day 1, where they have to write the words. Day 2, they have to circle the correct word. Here is the answers to the correct one. Here, they have to fill in the blank. There's the answers to fill in the blank. Then she has to write the missing letter in here, and she has to pick them from here. Here's the answers. I take them out of the notebook and I give her each sheet. I don't give her the whole notebook so she can look at the answers. And that is all for week 3. When we come to the end of this, I make her do a spelling test on a piece of notebook paper. I will call out every word to her that's on here, and I will make her write the words, and she will get a grade based on how she does. And if you want to know how I do my grades, I'll also leave that up in the iCard, so you can check that out to see how I keep up with my record keeping. But that is a free resource, and I love it. I've used it for years. So now, for first grade, we will be using My Father's World, Learning God's Story, their first grade curriculum. It comes with the teacher's manual, comes with the Bible notebook, it comes with the student workbook, and it also comes with student worksheets which I punch holes in, and I put them in this 3-ring binder just to help me keep up with it easier, so I don't have a lot of loose paper everywhere. And so to continue with my father's world, you get the cubes, you get my big book of 5-minute devotions. I love this. I used it with Bailey. I love it. Then it is pattern animals. So this book, and you also get the pattern blocks, which Becca loves just to sit and play with and make designs on her own, as well as in the book. You get things, finding out about things outdoors. Sorry, can't read, trying to read it through the camera. Science with plants, science with water. And this year I'm doing grammar with her. She is doing Growing with Grammar Level 1. So here's the student workbook, and here are her tests. I went ahead and put holes in them, and so when she gets done, I'll just put them in here. And here is the answer key that goes along with the workbook. The test answer key is in the back here. And that is all that I am using for Becca's first grade curriculum. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas of some curriculums that you might like to try if you are currently using a curriculum that doesn't work. If it is in the middle of the year and you are using a curriculum that doesn't work, it is okay to change curriculums. I know you have bought that curriculum, but there is no point in you hating the curriculum, your child hating the curriculum. They're not learning anything. So if you feel like you need to change it, then you need to change it. So if you're looking for new curriculums in certain subjects, I have flip-throughs, do lesson with us videos all through my channel. So go look at those. And also, if there's a certain curriculum you are looking for, look for it on YouTube. There are tons of homeschooling moms that do videos about curriculums, and you can see if you find one that may work for your child. You may find a new one. So I hope this video encourages you and supports you. That is why I started my YouTube channel. That is why I started my blog. I am here to support and encourage. Drop comments below if you have any questions. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.